Kakain na naman? Yes! Dahil gutom na gutom tayo at nakikrave nga tayo sa Mediterranean dishes o mga Arabian dishes, kaya naman bumisita tayo dito sa isang restaurant dito sa Pasay dahil meron silang ino-offer o dito nag-serve sila ng mga Arabian food kagaya ng biryani rice, kabsa, mansap, at patush salad. Kaya nga naman nandito si Chef Ali para turuan tayo kung paano gawin ang mga ito. Kaya halika na't pumasok tayo sa loob ng kanilang kitchen. Kasi Chef Ali muna ang magta-take over ng ating vlog.
Hello guys, good afternoon. I can see you because I know so many people going to watch this. I will welcome you to Arabian Grill. Okay, what salad we are going to make? This is one of the famous salad in all the Arabic restaurants. They call that fatoush salad. Okay, fatoush salad, why is very special? Because the dressing we are using is natural paste, comes from the pomegranate fruits. That's the special thing with this. And the other one, we call that croutons, which is the fried very thin bread kosha. But when you are already eating the salad, meron siya ng crunchy. The things we need is pomegranate sauce. They call this crouton, which is fried bread kosha, tomatoes, cucumber, and iceberg, which is gagawin ni Chef RR for the he will show how he will prepare and how he going to make plating. Thank you.
At ito na nga ang kanilang pinagmamalaking patush salad para ito sa mga nagda-diet o mahilig sa mga salad, guys. Perfect for you to. At kahit hindi ka nagda-diet, guys, perfect na perfect sa inyo ito.
Okay. Now why we are putting the bread under the mansaf? Because the mansaf, it has a soup like this. You will also serve one bowl of soup with the mansaf. That's how it will be served. They put the sauce in the bread became very soft, and they rub it with the chicken and the rice and the bread and with this sauce, and they eat it. But in the tradition of the Arab people, they like to eat these hands, like some part of the Philippines, they like it to do it with the hands. They put the sauce on the bread and they do like that and they eat it. This is mansaf chicken.
At ito na nga ang pinagmamalaki nilang napakasarap na mansap chicken bowl.
Guys, this is today also I make another dish for you, which is biryani. Biryani also like mansaf comes with lamb. We put on the plating, kapsa. Put our chicken, it's already cooked in the kapsa sauce. It's actually quarter, can be half chicken, can be whole chicken, can be the whole lamb shank or lamb, it depends. Then we'll design it with fresh onion, tomato, and cucumber again.
At ito na ang kanilang pinagmamalaki at bestseller na biryani rice. Saan nga ba ito mabibili? Mabibili lamang ito dito sa restaurant na Arabian Grills. Located at Tower 4, Double Dragon, Pasay City. Malapit lamang ito sa Mall of Asia. Ang mga pagkain nila dito is 100% halal food para sa ating mga kaibigang Muslim na naghahanap ng mga kakainan malapit dito sa Mall of Asia. This place is perfect for you. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Yayain na ang buong Muslim community para kumain dito sa Arabian Grill. At dito pwede ka rin mag-shisha. Dito kasi bago ka umalis, kailangan mo nang mag-try ito at masubukan ito. At andito na nga lahat ng in-order natin. So ano pa hinihintay natin? Tikman na natin to.
Try naman natin yung ano nila, fatoush salad. Sarap sa mga nagda-diet dyan. Sarap. The best.
Guys, ito yung kanilang hummus. Tapos combination with their pita. So isasasaw natin yung pita dito sa kanilang hummus. So ayan guys. Man natin.
Mapsa. Kabsa.
Hummus. Guys, masarap. Panalo to. So, yung biryani nila dito guys, very authentic.
Mansap.
Diba? First time natin guys tumikim ng biryani ng Arabian. Ayan. So, this is the Arabian biryani. So, titingnan natin guys with chicken and biryani rice. Ayan. Top. Panalo to.
Mansap.
Authentic.
Mas recommended ko to para sa mga hindi pa masyado sa Arabic food. Hindi ganun katapos.
Authentic saka original biryani rice guys. Ang sarap. Guys, ito yung kanilang mansap chicken. Ayan. Mansap with special rice, chicken. Ayan. So may kasama siyang ito, sauce. Sabaw ba yan or ano? So imimix mo yan together with the chicken and the rice. Yan, tapos lagyan natin sabaw. Ano? Ang sarap. Panalo. Kulit. Okay. At ayun na nga, nahusgahan na natin. Mas maganda siguro kung kayo mismo ang humusga kasi hindi lahat ng masarap sa akin is masarap din para sa inyo. Ano? Hanggang nood na lang ba kayo? Titikim na yan.